bassy to my ear.
I've got it set.
It's not a bit reverb.
Hey?
Rubbish.
G'day, my name's Cam Goodall. I'm in rehearsals at the moment for a show called The Sound of Falling Stars, which is coming up at the Arts Centre. The show was written and directed by Robyn Archer. It's the first time it's going to be performed in Melbourne, and we're really excited about that. It's a really challenging, amazing show to do. In the show I play about 30 guys, all of whom died before their time. From Elvis Presley, Hank Williams, through people like Jim Morrison, all the way to Kurt Cobain. It's an incredible show to perform, and I'm really looking forward to doing it.
And the angel of death comes down after you. Load up on guns, bring your friends, it's fun to lose. From Japan, stand from Japan.
It's good. It sounds good.